At UW-Whitewater, there's always fun to be had. There are hundreds of organizations and events, all of which can be found on Connect. Whether you want to make new friends or build some skills, Connect is the place to go. To get started, go to uwww.campuslabs.com/engage and log in with your NetID. Not only can you learn about events near you, but you can find student organizations you may be interested in joining. Every campus organization can be found on Connect, as well as their contact information. If you have any other questions about Connect or finding activities, you can email involvement@uww.edu for help. Stay smart and have a great year, Warhawks.